Let's begin with a very important topic of metal forming, rolling process. And it's also a personal area for me because I have spent some 4 to 5 years in rolling mills. My work there was to produce production reports, to create production reports, and to oversee the maintenance. I will share with you what I have learned in the industry. I will share with you how to make a production report. If you are working in a rolling mill, this will be very much beneficial for you. So, this production report, how to make a production report, will come later on. Prior, we will understand what is a rolling process. Now, rolling is the process in which metals and alloys are plastically deformed into finished or semi-finished products. It is done by passing them between rotating cylinders. These rotating cylinders are called as rolls. The rolling process is the most widely used mechanical working process. About 75% of total steel output is treated in rolling mills. The rest 25% is done by other mechanical working process like extrusion, drawing, etc. Now, prior to understanding the rolling mechanism and the complete rolling process, there are certain terminologies regarding the raw material that is used in the rolling mill. The starting material is what we call a cast ingot, out of which all the other raw materials are being made. This ingot is broken down by hot rolling into blooms, billets, slabs, and many more. The immediate breakdown of ingot would be bloom. A bloom is the product of the very first breakdown of ingot. It has square or slightly rectangular cross section, and it ranges in size from 150 by 150 mm to 250 by 300 mm. This bloom is used to make structural shapes, that is I-beams, channels, etc. by hot rolling. Next, after bloom, after the breakdown of bloom, we get billet, and these breakdowns are itself going on in the rolling mill. So the breakdown or the reduction of bloom is what a billet is. The size of this billet ranges from 50 by 50 mm to 125 by 125 mm, and it is used to make rounds, wires and bars, as well as structural shapes like I-beam and channel. Now we have a slab. A slab is a product obtained by hot rolling. It is obtained either from ingot or from bloom. It also has rectangular cross section with thickness ranging from 50 to 150 mm and width ranging from 0.6 to 1.5 meter. These slabs are further rolls to get plates, sheets, strips, coil and scalp. Then we have a plate. A plate is a finished or semi-finished product. It has a minimum thickness of 6.35 mm and its width will be equal to the width of the roll and the length equals to the maximum which can be handled or shaped. Then we have sheet. A sheet can be regarded as a thin partner of plate with maximum thickness of 6.35 mm. Then we have a strip. A strip is a narrow sheet and has a maximum width of 600 mm with a maximum thickness of 6.35 mm. It is normally handled in coil form, and its length can be considerable and is limited only by manufacturing and handling facilities. Next, we have a foil. Foil can be regarded as a thin strip with a maximum width of 300 mm and the maximum thickness of 1.5 mm. It is also available in coil form. So these were the terminologies regarding a rolling mill. One thing is remaining here is that the products that I used to make when I was in a rolling mill, when I was working in a rolling mill, these products are bar, beam, channel and angle, and these products are structural products. These are structural shapes because this kind of shapes are used in making big structures like bridges and all. So these are the products coming from raw material billet, and the billet used to come from a steel melting shop.